Alright, this is CougarBlueSXR800 playing Battle of Warships again. So we have a 5-on-6 playing against a Bismarck and a Missouri. So and we have a South Dakota and myself and the Skarnhorst and 2 aircraft carriers. Well, looks like it's going to be 6-on-5 now since we had one guy quit. Looks like we still have a heavy advantage on him, but we'll see what happens. See what we can do here. Maybe our advantage isn't as big as I think with those two, the Bismarck and the Missouri. If we take out one of those, take out the Bismarck and the Missouri up front, mainly the Bismarck, then it should leave them wide open and really make it difficult for these guys. Man, that was a... Let's see here. There is the Bismarck up there. And we have this little... What is that? 44Z. The Carl Gossler. Can't send any torpedoes in yet because he will take them out depending on his level. So I kind of got to wait for him to get out of the way before I can start taking shots at the Bismarck. Let's see, what's his plan? You know what? Let's take a couple shots. It looks like he's heading the other direction. So maybe we can get a couple shots on him. Let's see. Let's send off, let's call it 8, 9, let's do 10. Alright, and then we gotta turn around quick before we get too out in the open. Alright, give me a sec. Hurry, turn. Let's see what's happening. Is he moving? Did he move? Oh, and he's moving, but I still got him with at least 3, so that's alright, not bad. Not bad at all as I run right into this island and it's almost stops me and almost runs me up on a sandbar. Man, everybody's running away. Kinda thinking I'm gonna play this really strong offensive position here. See if I can get some dive bombers to come right down in on this guy. Wait to turn just a little bit more. Okay. Wow, he's sped up. As I bounce into the island and almost stop. But right when we come around this corner, here he is. Oh, let's fight him. That should be for the Bismarck. Alright, so 243,000 damage on that one little attack. And I am in pursuit, but I need to look for some protection against the guy over there. Jugador 0Z2646Y. Is this guy running in reverse? How's he hitting me? Alright, he is. Seems like he's almost stopped. Nope, he's running in reverse trying to get back to me. Let's light him up. Let's actually send in a couple torpedo bombers. Which I think by the time they get there, he will be in another position. Is he moving? What's he doing? 21 seconds. That puts us at 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Nope, he's moving again, so we're going to have to kind of put him back a little bit further here. Oh, and he moved on us again. Man, what a bummer. What a bummer. He keeps moving right out of the way. I guess he got getting afraid of all those guys. Let's lead him with a couple torpedoes and see if we can kill him. Go, go, go. Oh, and he had a lot of defense. A lot of anti-aircraft guns. Let's see, that's going to be way late. Both of those are going to be way late. Especially with him turning up, they were way late. Needed a lot earlier. Let's see, is this guy not doing anything? He is just parked as well. So, let's bring some torpedoes and rain down on him as well. Let's see what we can get. Oh, he's moving back, but that's alright. We can still get him. Come on, let's get another one. Is he moving backwards? What is he doing? I can't even tell. Oh, what a bummer. I missed him on every shot. I overshot him. I only hit him once. Crap. And I might not even hit him once. We'll have to see here if we hit him once. Looks like we're going to get him right on the tail right there, hopefully. And we hit him. Up to 368,000 damage, and it looks like he's moving forward a little bit nervous. Oh no, we got some guys coming right up my tailpipe. Let's see who we got. Let's use a little bit of speed. Take a health. See if we can turn around and rain some damage down on these guys. Get some more health again. Here comes some torpedo bombers. Oh, they are going to be off. Wow, that guy's got a lot of firepower, for goodness sakes. What is that, the 31Z? It's a Missouri. Good grief. Oof. Lot of firepower, my friends. Man, here, look at all these torpedoes. Alright, let's drop some dive bombers on him. Enough to put him down. Up to 493,000 damage. Secondary. I better hurry. Put some dive bombers on him or else I am going to be dead. Alright, the Arkansas goes as well. 531 or 510,000 damage, 3 kills. Take a look at our statistics. 33% of the dive bomber accuracy, 23% of the torpedo bomber accuracy. Looking good. Thanks for watching, guys.